this has, I got to tell you how much I appreciate the information we've gotten. This has added a whole new area to our capabilities, I feel like. I had commercial explained to me before, but it was like real complicated. And what you've done by explaining this has made it not only understandable, but also presented in a way so it's something that I feel like we could accomplish.
Awesome.
You've opened the door to this whole new area of syndication, which I never would have thought that it was within my reach. And so you've expanded the realm of possibilities and given us some great information that I'm sure we can build on going forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Ken. Thank you, sir.